Okay, all signs reading for Shadow Light Communication for the month of March 2022. I'm Yetticave. Welcome to the Yetticave. Like, subscribe. Okay, today is March 3rd, 2022, and it's 3/3. I took yesterday off. So I just did Aquarius, Pisces. Cusp reading for Shadow Light Communication, and now I want to do an all signs general read for the month of March 2022. Every sign is welcome here. It can be messages. Take what resonates, leave the rest. If it's not your story, then leave it here for the rest. Okay, 10 of Wands. So something about to break, but that reading was really intense. Yeah. Virgo, the Hermit, and the Hierophant. So this is the shadow. So a business, something's hidden about a Hierophant, a Virgo, and a Taurus. Or this business, whatever's hidden about this business, like they took on too much and it's about to get exposed. All signs, March 2022, shadow. Yeah, so someone playing God, someone who likes people to bow down. They've been playing with people's mental, maybe causing like stress or sleepless nights, and doing this on purpose. You know, she always acts out in the Taurus reading, so possibly a Taurus. Yesterday was the new moon. I was wrong. I thought it was on the 1st, and I also thought it was Aquarius, but I was wrong. It was in Pisces, and it was March 2nd. So it was yesterday. 9 of Swords, 2 of Wands, yeah. And then the 5 of Swords, competition, competing, leaving people out in the rain, like in the cold, like just fighting, attacking, mental attacks. That's what this is hidden about this business. And 10 of Wands, like they are crumbling and falling in reverse. Someone's upset about it. This business, yeah, reverse the sun. Something's hidden, or it's hidden. It's just hidden. Like maybe people don't know about it, but they do, and it's about to break. Yeah, third party. They put people in third parties and put them in these competitions, and it's like hidden to the general public, I guess. Yeah, and they did this to an Empress, a Libra, Taurus, or something with Sagittarius. Yeah, in their own houses, under people's own houses. Yeah, keeping people locked out in the cold, putting them in third parties, but they did it to an Empress, and then Temperance could be like an earth angel coming down to rebalance the elements for this magic that was being thrown. It could be dark magic. In houses, like leaving people out in the cold, like in living situations, or that's like the after effects of whatever this person's been doing, and they're getting cut off. King of Pentacles, yeah, Taurus, like an earth sign. Someone greedy or materialistic, someone from like communities or like has issues from their childhood. They could be single and independent, or they do this to people who are single and independent, grabbing at their cups. Something's hidden. It's a third party. I got a Virgo and a Taurus and a Leo. That could be 3 people as well. Okay, 3 o'clock and 4 for 4. 3 o'clock and it's 3/3/2022 today. 10 of Wands. yeah, you could be having like side effects from this, like something with like or they are like someone's getting sick. I feel like someone might be having like issues in their stomach or like feel nauseous. That's what's hidden, is maybe this person's like sick for this juggling and it broke because they can't, maybe they're sick. Something with children, some juggling with like children, or something with Pisces season. They can't keep up because they took on too much with the 10 of Wands and the 2 of Discs. Temperance, yeah, 5 of Swords, competition, confirmation, light, and this is the shadow. Oh yeah, so shadow, and that was the tarot of oppositions for the shadow. It's both sides, so that's gonna be the things that are hidden around you, just like things that have been going on. Like I'm just talking about the business in general. So yeah, this is like in the shadows. Like this is probably going around everyone all the time, and then you're thinking like, oh, I'm sick, or I don't feel good today. Well, someone might have been fucking playing games and attacking you or making you or doing something. And yeah, and temperance coming down. 3 balance. There's like a big snake. The sun and the moon, yeah. And then there's like blood, and this person's still like going and they won't stop. So maybe this person like will not stop. That's because they're mentally ill. But it looks like they're in like an authoritative position, or a by the book person, an institution, a business, the Justice Department, a library, anything by the book. 2 of Cups. Yeah, it could be like a business or a relationship or a friendship. They got stopped. This Leo or whatever's hidden is being illuminated. Message, Page of Wands coming in for these illusions. Maybe something got exposed in Aquarius season, or someone's an Aquarius, so there's a star, or someone's in the spotlight with a badge. You guys want to go outside? Hold on one second. Something with the, yeah, spotlights on the houses. 4 of Wands. Come on. Okay. Yeah, Page of Wands. He's all on a fish riding it. This guy's delusional and attacky, it looks like, and acts like a kid. Well, they're getting stopped because people are illuminated. Something, yeah, under your own roof, getting attacked. 7 of Wands. By this. And that's what came out in Aquarius's reading, is that it was 9 of Swords 4 different times it came out in that reading. I was like, oh my God, but like it's like someone's attacking you in your dream state. And it's hidden. So be aware, people. Pay attention. And I was telling Aquarius too, I said, if you have like really, you know, intense dreams maybe, or like you can remember them, like try to remember your dreams. And if there's like a reoccurring person, I feel like personally, in my opinion, in my dreams, that usually reveals who is messing with me. It depends on the situation though, and like what's going on in the dream. But like if it's like I'm directly keep seeing that person and they're doing like really fucked up shit to me in my dream state, well then that usually means that they have some bad intentions for me in the awakened state. So this Virgo, or that's what's hidden. And 8 of Pentacles, it could be at your work as well, or people are working from home and this is like affecting, they are doing this because so many people are at home. Maybe it's like a big test. This is what's going to be communicated. Yeah, there's like a receipt trail, or there's like something. It could be because of children. There's something going on with children, with the 2 children, and the Page of Pentacles, the Page of Wands. And the Page of Cups. Oh my God. Children. And the Page of Cups right here. I was just going to say, I thought I saw like one more. The Page of Cups 1, 2, Page of Pentacles, and Page of Wands. Something with children. That's what the receipt's gonna be about. This person's crazy. Yeah. Victory. This is done with. Secrets out. These attacks. So maybe this is confirmation. Maybe like same thing I said Aquarius, Pisces. I said if you feel like you've been just like losing it, dude, you're not losing it. You're right. Make sure to like write your dreams down though. Like or write down things that are going on. Like if it's kind of weird, just you don't have to go ask other people. Just write it down and then go back to it later. Knight of Cups. Yeah, Tower. These attacks. 7 of Wands. High Priestess. Something with Pisces season or Pisces. And Knight of Cups. Immature emotions. People are walking away. 8 of Cups. Knight of Wands from this player. And they're getting judgment. A Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, trying to pay someone to like keep this hidden or something. All right, I'm gonna do the after tarot and then we'll call it. So this is a general read for the shadow, light, communication, all signs. Okay. So take what resonates, leave the rest. So March 2022, shadow, light, communication, all signs. So it's the after tarot, something with children, you know, or this is just like someone's been competing with children, or that's what this business is about, this third party. 11:44 on the clock. That's what's hidden. There's a receipt trail and it's children. Oh my God, the sun. And my elbow, my right elbow just started hurting. It just started like the funny bone. Not funny anymore. Okay, yep, illumination. Everyone's at home working, so they're doing a test on everyone. I'm right. It's the truth. So unplug your Wi-Fi before you go to sleep, people. Stay, you know, keep your shit. I don't know. If you feel like you feel the way around those things, get some salt lamps, like unplug it when you're not using it. And if you're always using it, then maybe you should cut back on your internet and phone time. I'm serious. I have this on airplane mode. I think I have it plugged in right now, but no, do I? No, I have my Wi-Fi unplugged, so that's the truth. Oh my God. Thief. Found out. Sun, the Hanged One, 6 of Wands, March 2022. Communication. They got the Reaper on their back because they were supposed to stop and they're frugal and holding on to their money too tight. And their victory is with the Grim Reaper. A King of Wands, a Leo, Sag, Aries involved, or a Leo for sure. Leo. A marriage with a Virgo, or a fire and earth sign married couple. And 9 of Cups, they like to be served on by children. I told you, they're doing this. They do this to children on the internet. Hello, you guys, come on. This shit needs to start getting shared. Share it, everyone. If you feel like this is on point, share it. Seriously, because I'm like, dude, they're like, dump your cups out, check your shit. That's why I want to do a general read for the shadow, light, and communication, because I just did a cusp reading and I couldn't do it yesterday, so I want to do it today. But I was like, that one was so crazy that I was like, I'm going to do a general read and see if this is like resonating for more people, and it is. Yeah, you need to watch what you have in your house, any objects that you got from like past people that you got a bad vibe from. Just you need to get rid of it. Even if you like it, it's just like it's time to get some new shit. So go donate it, and then when you can, like replace those things, okay? Because they might have like done something to these things. It's like objects or something with animals, food, on the internet, and the drink. Yeah, you need to cut this free and fight back. So make sure to like kind of clear some energy out. It was a new moon in Pisces yesterday, March 2nd, you know, so maybe it's a good time to like clean and just like donate 311 on the clock. And like I said, just unplug your Wi-Fi when you're using it. What's, you know, it's not gonna hurt anything, and if it does, well, if you feel like your energy is getting tampered with or you feel off, unplug it and see if you feel better. Just do a little test, and if it does make you feel better, then start unplugging it when you're not, you know, when you're not using it. And if you're always using it, like I said, just take a break. Just some advice. No one has to take it. Don't try to hurt me. I'm just trying to say, dude, there's something going on. It's hidden with the Hermit and the Sun in the reverse and the shadow. And the shadow part, the light, this is what needs to be known. Is like, this has been going on, but it's going to juggle. It's going to be broke. It's going to be stopped. But you still have to kind of like be careful. And like, I guess people just need to know like that, yeah, people don't have good intentions, especially it's like your food, your drink, on the internet. He's like holding animals, like with animals, like nature, like with pottery, with anything, crops, your dream state, nightmares, throw you in the river. Oh shit. Put blood in your cups. You know what I'm saying? I'm serious, people. All right, well, just be really aware, okay? And it's time to just not be very trusting when it comes to who's handling your stuff. Like, just try to know a little bit on who's handling your food, or know the restaurant, or know this friend. Like, how long have you known him? Like, why do they always try to give you stuff? Or why, you know, why do I always feel like I can't sleep every time I hang out with this person? And that person might need to be, you know, out of your energy field. Like, you need to, I think people are really sensitive right now, and they need to communicate this so that the thieves will get caught up and that the truth can come out and there's illumination on these situations and get back to work. But it's like there's just like a lot of like mental something competition, it looks like, business and relationships. All right, well, that's what I got. So March 2022, shadow light communication. So in the shadows, what's going to be in the spotlight, pay attention. Temperance is going to be sending signs, so like different signs about who the competitor is or who this is and what relationship. Okay, so pay attention, so you'll know. Someone who might dress a little different, they're younger and they act very like delusional, or they're like in fantasy land, and it could be an Aquarius or in the spotlight and they're attacking people. The Magician, Judgment, blocks, 10 of Swords, 10 of Wands. Yeah, this is done. All right, that's what I got. Okay, like, subscribe, and I will see you all very soon. Happy March.